Hi, I'm Elodie. Welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna learn the TikTok trend on Ariana Grande's song, Hate That I Made You Love Me. Not too difficult, so it's gonna be quick, but still don't forget to warm up. Also, this is a tutorial only, so if you want to practice with the music at different speeds from half speed to full speed, you can check my other video on my channel. All the links are in the description below. And if you like the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. All right, so we're gonna do mirror, meaning this is your right and this is your left. So we're gonna do pam, 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 pam. So we're gonna cross the arms in front of you with a fist, throw them down to the side, in front of your face, still fist, and open your elbows, hands are behind your head, hands are flat. So cross fist, throw, in front of your face, still fist, hands are flat, behind your head. So pam, 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 pam. With the head, forward, to the right, to the left, forward. Again, forward, to the right, to the left, forward. And the hips are gonna do left, right, left, right. So we're gonna start left. Yeah, so left, right, left, right. Again. Left, right, left, right. With a count. So we're going to start on 7 and 8 and. So that's super, super quick. Again, 7 and 8 and. After that, we're going to do pam, 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 pam. So, left leg goes to the side, arms come down. While you do that, you're going to do circle with your pelvis going to the left. So, your hips are already to the right, so you're going to go here, diagonal, forward, to the left, back, and to the side, and directly to the left side. Yeah? So, we were here, and we're going to go forward, to the side, back, to the side, to the other side. Yes? And then we reverse. From here, we're going to go towards the right, full circle, and boom, to the right. Yeah? So again, we were here, and we do to the left, full circle, and then directly to the left. And then towards the right, full circle, and directly to the right. With the arms. So, hands are going down, arms down when you step. And then when you go from side to side, you're gonna bend your arm, your elbow is down, fist, and throw. So you're gonna bend and throw to the side. Yeah, so arms down, boom. And you're gonna look to the left as well. Yeah? So we were here, circle, boom. And then we go to the other side. When you do the pelvis circle, your arm is gonna go down and you're gonna look forward. Look forward, and then same thing, we're gonna bend the left arm, fist, and throw it to the side. Boom, and same thing, you're gonna look to the right side. Yeah, so you do exactly the same thing on both sides. So again, slowly, we were here. So arms down, pelvis circle, and boom. Arm down, pelvis circle, and boom, throw. One more time, and look forward, look to the left. Look forward, look to the right. With a count, we finish here on 8 and we're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Linking to the beginning. So we start on 7. So 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time. 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, so most people in the shorts, in the videos, they're doing it in the simpler way. Yeah, from here, they're just bringing the arm up and putting it down, and up and putting it down. That's it. So from here, they're just doing right arm up, just bring it simply down, and left arm up. Yeah, it's a lot easier, and it's kind of the same idea. So if you prefer to do that, that's completely fine. Bianca, the choreographer, is not doing that, so I'm gonna go with what she does. But obviously you can use the easier version, it's not gonna change much anyway. Yeah? So let's keep going. We were here on 4. We're gonna do the head on and. 4 and. I'm gonna do 5, 6, 7, 8. So from here, we're gonna do 3 body rolls. 2, 3. And the hand is gonna go here on the body and it's gonna go down. Yeah, so boom. Second one, third one. Yes, if you don't know how to do a body roll, you just have to push your head, then push your chest forward, then your stomach, then your pelvis, and bring it back in the center. So push, 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 and bring your pelvis back in the center. Yeah? So we were here on 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. So on 8, you're gonna point the finger, right finger up. Yes, the hands, left hand is on the hip. Yeah, boom. Yeah, so again, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Again from the top. 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah? One more thing for those arms, yeah? When you hear we've done circle, boom. Yes, when you bring it down, you can bring the same way with the elbow going down, yeah? Boom, down, and then bend and throw. Again from the top, so 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, we're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4. So you're gonna lift your right knee, left knee, right knee, left knee. And you're gonna sit on your left hip, yeah, your left leg, and sit right, sit, sit on the opposite leg. Yeah? So 1, 2, 3, 4. And if you want to do the movement a bit bigger, yeah, like she does, when you're here, you're gonna push your hips even more to the left and drop. And push it more to the right and drop. And push it more to the left and drop. And push it more to the right and drop. Boom, drop. Push it, drop. Push it more, drop. Yeah? So we were here and we do 1, 2, 3, 4. Arm is gonna go behind your head and down. That's it. Yeah, so you were here, we do 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So when you're here, you're gonna close your left leg and the head is gonna go down to the right and then to the left. Yeah, so it's gonna be on 4 and 5. On the 5, your left leg is gonna go to the back and we're gonna do a body roll. This time it's a little bit bigger than the ones we've done before. Yeah, so from here, you start your body roll and up, down. Yes, left hand is still on the hips. So we were here and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7. 3 counts to do that until 7. Yeah, one more time. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7. Yes, you can be on your toes on the right leg. Yeah, it's in front of you in the diagonal. Then we're gonna do 2 fingers pointing towards you, towards your eyes. Yeah, here, you're gonna turn it around and lift it up and down. Again, so towards your eyes, up, down. When I say down, it's like parallel to the floor. Yeah, so pam, pam, pam. And with the head, you're gonna go up and come back normal. And up, come back. Yeah? So, we were here on 7. It's gonna be and, 8, and. Again, 7 and, 8 and. I'm just gonna finish because it's almost finished. And we're gonna take a step with the right and close with the left, and take a step with the left and close with the right. So in the diagonal and boom. And when you take the step, you can leave your hip a little bit towards the left and close, come back center, and then same thing. Your hips go to the right and close. So pam, 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 pam. Yeah? With the hands, you're gonna do right hand behind your head, and then pam, 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 pam. So just this with the hand. When Ariana say, ooh, 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 yeah? So, pam, 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 pam. That would be on 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do again from here slowly. 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and you finish. Yeah, again. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. From the top, slowly. So remember, we start on 7, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. One last time. 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe. It really helps me keep making these videos for free. Thank you for watching. Bye.